Earn more email leads into customers. Discover the email marketing platform marketers use to reach, convert, and retain their customers. Schedule a demo. Use the exact checklist the pros use. Download our 29-point email marketing pre-checklist for mistake-free emails. Brands that work with us. Trusted by 10,000 plus marketers and businesses. Create customer journeys that engage and convert new leads. Start your campaign by a specific lead behavior. This will allow you to build a highly customizable response for almost any situation in your marketing. Respond with messaging based on your customer's behavior. Great way to manage email campaigns. Crystal S., Digital Marketing Specialist. See full review. Never worry about deliverability again. Are you struggling with getting your email delivered? Tired of not knowing what's going on with your campaign? Worried about getting your account blocked? Tired of out-of-the-box support answers that don't help you? Well, you have come to the right place. Our approach to delivery is to get your emails delivered, and second, to get them higher engagement. I know it sounds simple, but that is the core of everything we do. Experts in deliverability. Kirk Wimberly, Director of Operations. See full review. Reach your entire audience without the hassle. Setting up a broadcast message to reach your subscribers couldn't be easier. Easy to use HTML editor or drag and drop template editor. Send personalized messages so each message is personalized to your customer. Segment your audience based on engagement metrics so you are communicating with your most active subscribers. Dependable ESP that actually cares for your success. Hamlet K., Founder/CEO. See full review. Success is in the team that supports you. Someone is always looking over your account. Whether it is our premier customer success team or your very own dedicated account manager. We want you to succeed, so it is our main priority to make sure things run smoothly. At Emercury, we believe first and foremost in transparency, and in return we expect the same. It's the only way for this partnership to work. That's right, it's a partnership. We look at you like a partner and not a number. Exceptional delivery and dedication from the team. Scott Colson, Principal Owner. See full review. Integrate Emercury with your favorite apps. Sync your data to and from over 2,000 plus sales and marketing tools, teamwork apps, forms, customer support platforms, social media, and more for complete workflow control. View all integrations. Latest blog posts. Boost your conversion rate, an easy guide to personalization. Smart personalization is here. Secrets to blockchain and crypto marketing in 2022. See if Emercury is right for you. Increased engagement with your leads and customers. Improved deliverability of your messages. Higher conversions.